2018 Land Rover Discovery Sport Review. The 2018 Discovery Sport is spacious and capable, yet it's less deluxe and less efficient than rivals. The cumulative changes to your Discovery Sport over the past 2 years are significant. This year brings a whole new engine that comes by 50% different power output levels, as well as revisions on the front seats. Add those updates to last year's changes to your infotainment system and also the addition connected with an optional adaptive suspension, as well as the Discovery Sport is different quite a bit. In earlier times we knocked the Discovery Sport because of its relatively slow acceleration, below average fuel economy, brittle ride, overly firm seats and high cost, especially considering how much more luxurious competitors is usually. The new, optional 286 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder adds a ton of speed but is usually a pricey extra, and fuel economy remains to be the same. The optional adaptive suspension, that should improve ride quality, is usually a standalone option. As far as cost goes, the marketplace seems to have swept up. As you move, the Discovery Sport gets pricey quickly once you begin checking options boxes. Use its European competitors. At least the revisions towards the seats come standard. Still, when the Disco Sport's optional third-row seat or trick traction control it enables for more off-road and inclement weather capability presents itself your report on priorities, there are tons of great compact luxury SUVs from which to choose. The redesigned 2018 Volvo XC60 is luxurious, modern and capable. The Audi Q5 has lots of proper available technology and outstanding road manners. Top-tier Discovery Sports also contest with more entry-level trims with the Porsche Macan, which is usually a bit tight on the within but is usually one from the best driving SUVs traveling. And that's in addition to offerings from Acura, BMW, Jaguar, Lexus, Mercedes-Benz and in many cases Alfa Romeo. This is usually a crowded segment, and Land Rover has pinned its appeal on the few very specific strengths. What's new? The 2018 Discovery Sport gains some updates. Most notably, the turbocharged 4-cylinder engine has become more powerful and efficient and is particularly available with 2 different output levels. Changes seem to be made to front seat adjustments and comfort. Some changes have been created to trim level equipment and options. The Discovery Sport H chassis includes some extras that a lot of luxury pros will be searching for, like a power tailgate, leather seats, proximity entry, and front parking sensors. We also think several important packages are worth considering. The Vision Assist package bundles blind spot monitoring that has a surround view camera and upgraded headlights. The Cold Climate package adds heated and cooled front seats, heated rear seats, and also a heated windscreen, as well as the Intelligent Dynamics package adds an adaptive suspension and also a fuel-saving driveline. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Land Rover Discovery Sport is often a compact luxury SUV that comes standard with 5 seats, though an optional top and third row raises ability to 7. There are 3 trim levels, say, HSE and HSE Luxury. A better engine can be acquired for the HSE and HSE Luxury trims. The Discovery Sport's powertrain comes with Land Rover's all-terrain progress controller, low-speed off-road cruise control, hill descent control along with the driver-adjustable terrain response system. The latter technology has 4 settings: general, grass, gravel, snow, mud, ruts and sand that adapt accelerator and steering response, gear selection, center differential engagement, and braking and stability control systems to optimize performance in a number of difficult driving scenarios. Unlike with other Land Rovers, there won't be locking differentials, low-range gearing or adjustable suspension height. The base engine is really a turbocharged 2.0-litre four-cylinder which makes 237 horsepower and 251 pound-feet of torque. A better version with this engine can be acquired for the HSE and HSE luxury trims and makes 286 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. A 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive are standard. Standard equipment about the say includes automatic headlamps and wipers, power folding and heated mirrors, a rear view camera, cruise control, dual-zone automatic climate control, rear parking sensors, rear privacy glass, 18-inch wheels, and also the Land Rover terrain response system, which changes vehicle settings to check various surfaces. Also standard are 10-way power front seats, partial leather upholstery, a 6040 split rear seat folding, reclining, sliding, an 8-inch touchscreen interface, 4 USB charging ports, 2 front, 2 rear, as well as a 10-speaker sound system having a CD player, an auxiliary audio jack, as well as a USB media player interface. Some option is unique to your say. The convenience package adds proximity entry, a hands-free liftgate plus an auto-dimming rear view mirror. The Say Vision Assist package adds fog lights and xenon headlights with LED daytime running lights. 12-way power adjustable front seats and navigation can be obtained as standalone options. The HSE includes the contents from the convenience and Say Vision packages and adds a restricted panoramic roof, front parking sensors, full leather upholstery, and 12-way power front seats with memory functions. Both the Say and HSE might be upgraded with all the audio upgrade package, which adds an 11-speaker Meridian stereo and satellite radio. Smartphone connection apps and satellite radio can be found for both as standalone options. The HSE Luxury adds the audio upgrade package, 19-inch wheels, fancier exterior trim, multicolor interior ambient lighting, upgraded leather upholstery and navigation functionality. The HSE trims are provided with a amount of option packages. The Vision Assist package incorporates blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert systems, adaptive headlights, automatic high beams, and also a surround view camera system. The Driver Assist Plus package adds the navigation functionality, lane departure warning and automatic emergency braking. The HUD and Park Assist package brings a head-up display as well as an automatic parking system that may handle perpendicular and parallel parking duties. The Intelligent Dynamics pack adds a lively all-wheel drive system, which switches between front and all-wheel drive dependent on conditions to avoid wasting fuel, along with an adaptive magnetic suspension. The Entertainment pack adds a 17-speaker Meridian sound system as well as the upgraded 10-inch in-control Touch Pro touchscreen interface that is on-board Wi-Fi as well as own upgraded navigation system. Finally, the Dynamic Design package adds a number of special exterior and trim pieces, including gloss black 20-inch wheels. All trims might be equipped together with a Climate Comfort package, which includes various heated items, windshield, controls, and front and back seats. Also available as standalone options different wheels 19 or 20-inch, contrasting roof color choices, the head-up display, automatic high beams, a cargo cover and onboard Wi-Fi. For 2018, blind spot monitoring and adaptive cruise control have both been available as standalone options. Driving. We were impressed with all the Discovery Sport's handling and braking performance. Our biggest issue was the lackluster engine, that will be remedied at this year's changes. While the Sport isn't as rugged an off-roader as other Land Rovers, its traction system causes it to be competent within the dirt. Comfort. The new seats and optional adaptive suspension for 2018 should address some of our biggest concerns. The ride around the standard suspension was sharp, brittle and misplaced in this class. There's also more road noise in comparison to some competitors. Interior. With a great deal of room for passengers and entry and exit, the Discovery Sport can be a good people mover. It also gets high points for visibility and materials quality. Unfortunately, the within design doesn't feel especially luxurious, along with the infotainment system might be laggy and too complicated. Utility. The Discovery Sport gives a lot of cargo space to the segment, and in addition it has an impressively high towing capacity. But there's not a large amount of storage space for small items inside cabin. Technology. There's a large amount of available technology for anyone who is willing to spend the bucks to add it. Active security measures and driver aids can be purchased but pricey. The infotainment system is often a weakness. While it's customizable, it is usually sluggish to begin with and may be slow to retort and complicated make use of.